Hi everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of today's video, April 28th of 2020. Currently we're on page 94 of your student book, which is Unit 7, Lesson F, Another View. Once again, we're on page 94 of your student book, which is Unit 7, Lesson F, Another View. So in this video, we're going to read a supermarket advertisement to see how much of an understanding we have about the whole grocery shopping um, is, or just to see uh, how, how much we know and then how much we have learned so far. Okay, so let's begin. Uh, let's take a look at exercise 1, life skills reading. So this picture is called an advertisement, and let me type this out for you. Advertisement. But in short, we call it an ad. AD. So this is an ad from Save More Supermarket, and the items they are advertising are such as balloons, 10-inch paper plates, plastic knives, forks, spoons, paper napkins, hot dog buns, hot dogs, soft drinks, root beer, ketchup, ice, apple juice, bananas, cherries, pineapples, oranges. Yeah, so those are items that they're advertising right now. Um, so here, I think it is important to go over the prices. Um, does everyone remember how to uh, say the prices? So let's do this. So for example, here we have balloons. Um, so ha. So this I'm gonna type out how you. There are two ways of reading the price. So one is for this price exactly. Um, so it's going to be $1.39, or 139. So this is one way, and this is another way. So $1.39 or 139. So the 139 is a shorter way of saying the price. And then if we go back here to the balloon, there's a dash and one bag. So here, this is how it looks, one bag, right? So this dash means we can use A, A. So $1.39 a bag, or another way of saying this is per bag. Same thing. We can do 139 a bag or 139 per bag. You can use either one, per or a. So there's actually two ways of saying this actual price. So $1.39 or 139, and then for this dash here, let me do this. For this dash symbol, yeah, this dash symbol. You can say a or per. So a or per and bag. Okay. So let's do a couple more examples so you kind of know what you're doing. Let's do this. So going back. So here, this one, how would you say it? I would say this one, $2.79. And there's a slash in bottle, so I say a bottle, bottle, or 2.79, a bottle. So those are two ways of saying the prices, and then I just chose A for this dash symbol, and then bottle. And we're gonna do the same thing, same thing. So number 3, here we have $2.09 a box, but this I'm gonna use per. Okay, so $2.09 per box, or 2.09 per box. 209. 209. That's what we say. Finally, let me show you this really fast. So for bananas, um, we have the symbol for cent. So it'd be 69 cents per pound. 69 cents per pound for this one. And I don't think I need to type this. So going back to this one more time. So $1. So this symbol, a dollar sign, and then this is where you talk about the dollar, and this is where you talk about the cents, the changes that you have. So $1.39 a bag, because it's stash per bag, or you can say $1.39 per bag. Okay. I hope this was a little helpful. Here I'm gonna go down so you can see the difference. $2.79, or we can say $2.79, and then this slash bottle, we can say per bottle or a bottle. So you see $2.79 a bottle or $2.79 a bottle. Okay, so now we're gonna continue on. Okay, so here, so exercise 1A, read the questions, look at the ad, fill in the answer. Question number 1, what's the name of the store? Oh, we know the name of the store. Here we see, this is the name of the store. Save More Supermarket. Pretty easy, huh? We go back. The answer is A for number 1. So let's look at question number 2. How much are 50 paper plates? 50 paper plates. So let's look at the price for the paper plates. So we have 10 inches paper plates is $5.49 per 50 plates. Another way of reading this is 5 $1.49 per 50 plates. So in order to buy 50 plates, it's going to cost $5.49. And based on the question, it says how much are 50 paper plates? And we know that 50 paper plates are going to cost $5.49. So the C for number 2. Question number 3. How much are 3 bags of oranges? Here we have Florida oranges. It says $5 a bag, or $5 a bag. And then we need 3 bags of them, so we have to do $5 multiplied by 3. And if we do that, we have to, so it's going to cost $15. Question number 4. How much are 6 cans of root beer and a bag of ice? So let's look at the price of 6 cans of root beer first. So we can see that it's $4.29 per 6 cans. So that's $4.29. So 6 cans of root beer is going to cost us $2.49. $2.49. And then we have to add bag of ice. And bag of ice is going to cost us $1.29 per bag. So we need only 1 bag. So it's going to be $1.29. $1.29. So if we add them together, it's going to cost us $5.58. Or another way of saying this is $5.58. Exercise 1B, solve the problem. Which solution is best? Circle your opinion. Mary buys oranges, cherries, and bananas at Save More Supermarket. The total is $9.75, or we can say $9.75. She gives the clerk a $20 bill, so one $20 bill. At home, Mary looks in her wallet. There is only a $5 bill and a quarter. What should she do? So the total cost is $9.75. In order to pay for that, Mary gave the clerk one $20 bill. So then she needs to actually get $10.25. That's what she is supposed to get. But when she went home and checked her wallet, she found out that she only had a $5 bill, one $5 bill and a quarter. So she is missing $5 more. So what should she do in this case? I think the best case for this scenario is just to go back to the store and get her money back. Rest of their money back. So number 2 is the best option. Or you can do nothing. I mean, if you don't care about losing money, right? Okay, we're gonna go to page 95 now. Since we're done with this part, page 95. So page 95, exercise 2. Grammar connections, some and any. Let's read this. Use some with positive statements. Use any with negative statements. So here we have, for examples for some, we need some bread. We want some apples. For any, we don't need any bread. We don't want any apples. Okay, I think I'm gonna give you more examples. Okay. So let's see. For some, so it says some with positive statements. So I'm gonna give you more example of positive. Positive. I have some friends. Number two. Uh, we have some coffee. Right? Those are positive statements. But there are other things that we could do with using some. Another example is when we're offering something. Offering. So, example is, would you like some milk? This is when we're offering some milk. And then another one is requesting. Uh, can I borrow some money? So we have positive statements. These are questions, but it's more of offering and requesting. So would you like some milk? Can I borrow some money? Right? And then um, and then 1 second. I'm gonna do this. And then perfect. And then more for any. So it it is used for negative statements. So my examples are I don't have any friends. Another one is there isn't any bread left. This is another example of negative statements. Instead of we don't need any bread, we don't want any apples, I don't have any friends, there isn't any bread left. But we can also use any to ask questions. Just questions. So, is there any sugar? Another one is, do you have any money? So this is another thing that thing to think about. Or so some, oh, any. So some and any. So for some, there's positive statement, offering and requesting questions. And then for any, there's negative statements and just questions that we could do. Okay? Alright. Now, back to this. So exercise 2. 2A, talk with a partner, look at the list and picture and ask the questions. Take turns. So here we can see, this is shelves. We can see sugar, cookies, coffee, apples, and bananas. So we're gonna, I guess we have to use these questions and answer formats. So for example, do we need, so here, we have a shopping list here. So we need to check what items we need to buy. So let's do this. Do we need bread? And it says, yes, we do. We don't have any bread. And we see it, no bread. Okay, so we keep the bread. Do we need apples? No, we don't. We have some apples. Yep, we do have some apples. And then, so following the same format, we can say, do we need bananas? And we have some bananas, so we say, yes, we do. Oh, sorry. Do we need bananas? No, we don't. We have some bananas. Tomatoes. Do we have any tomatoes? Here, instead of saying need, I said, do we have any tomatoes? And I was like, no, we don't have any tomatoes. So we need tomatoes. Onions. Do we need onions? Yes, we do. We don't have any onions. So right now, I'm just gonna circle the items really fast. So we need bread. We don't need bananas. We need tomatoes and onions so far. Coffee. We have coffee. So when you ask, do we need coffee? No, we don't. We have some coffee. So we don't need this. Juice. Do we need juice? Yes, we do. We don't have any juice. So this is what we need. So we don't see any juice here. Sugar. We see sugar. So we say another way of saying or another way of asking question is instead of saying do we need or do we need, we can say do we have? Do we have sugar? Yes, we do. So we don't need any sugar. I think I need to. So we don't need sugar. Rice. So I'm gonna use the same format, different format, similar format. Sorry. So do we have rice? No, we don't. We need rice. This is also an item that we need to get. Cookies. Do we have cookies? Yes, we do. So we don't need any more cookies. So we don't need any cookies. That's what you want to say. Okay. I think we're running out of time. Exercise 3. Oh. Work in a group, plan a party for 15 people. Use the ad on page 94. You have $35. Oh. Yeah, I don't think we need to do this. Yeah, I think that's it for page. For lesson F. Another view. Yeah, I think we're done for this. Okay, that's it for part 2 of today's video. Thanks for joining. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Okay, thank you.